So today, eBusy4 and Savannah51, together we are the two video girls. And I don't need to brag, but I also have another channel, Liz Freestyle Wet. Savannah might make another channel, she's not sure yet. So today we are here to do another ringtone dance. The ringtone dance that we did before is not on this channel, but that is because we made the ringtone dance before we made this channel, so we didn't put it on this channel. But yeah, so there will be an annotation at the end of the video, and we hope you guys enjoy these ringtone dances. We might do a little more. This is just one ringtone video.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. I kill you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning. Thank you, please. Your telephone is ringing. Please pick up. It is most important. Please, thank you, please. Goodbye, thank you. Hello.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat. Where I picked up? Don't pick up the incoming!
Okay, so that was video number 1. You can get these ringtones by just typing in on YouTube top 10 ringtones, and it'll basically pop up. So,
Or you could just use our sound effects, but we can't talk with it.
okay,
I don't think you really want to do that, rather than just to look at it.
yeah, all right. So here's the next one. I'm a cattle farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Smells like vanilla.
would you pick up the telephone? Please pick up your telephone. Ring, ring, bada bang, ding, ding, ring, 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 ding, ding, ding. Please would you pick up the telephone? Please pick up your telephone. Ring, ring, bada bang, ding, ding, ring, 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 ding, ding, ding.
Your mama's calling back.
You already did this
For
one.
no real reason but just to chat. She'll
We
waste
were
your minutes
talking about the cat.
Or about how dad
Has
has
gotten fat. Don't pick up the phone.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep. Then press pound, press 3, then dial your name. Then press 6 and dial your number. Then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, and leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice. Bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
This song was what the little kids did tap to at my dance recital. Damn little lollipops.
Oh. Okay, so that's all we have for you guys today. See you next time. Bye. Adios.